My superstars, today we'll be talking about 5 businesses you can do as a student to make money. As a student, there's always that desire to make money to be able to tend for your need. I remember way back in the university, I sold bedsheets as a student to make money. All right, so bedsheet may not really be trending because as time goes by, a lot of things change with trends. All right, so I'll be sharing with you 5 businesses you can do as a student and then make money. All right, so let's get started. Number one is developing AI pictures for birthdays for students or brands. Okay, so taking pictures has gone beyond going to the studio. Before, whenever a student wants to have his or her birthday, they'll go to the studio, take pictures, pay heavily to take pictures in the studio. But right now, things have changed. From the comfort of your home, you can take customized pictures, birthday pictures. All right, these pictures are typical example of what I am talking about. As you can see, it looks very real. And all you need is just a picture of yourself and some prompts on an AI app, and then you are good to go. Okay, you can write prompts on apps like Gemini AI, on ChatGPT. Okay, and before you say Jack, it has produced amazing pictures that are beautiful and you can use for your birthday photo shoot. Okay, apart from that, some brand owners who were planning to take pictures for their brands and all so that you can also take pictures, any picture you have, and then put it on an AI app like Gemini AI, ChatGPT. Okay, or there's a new one right now. We have lots and lots of AI, okay, available. You can just put in your pictures, and with the right prompts, you have pictures you can use to advertise your brand or create stickers or create a lot of things. So as a student, you can do AI pictures for students and charge them about 500 naira and make lots and lots of money. By the time you do AI pictures for about 10 students, that is 5,000 naira in a day. Okay, if you can charge 1,000 naira, fantastic, but 500 will give you a lot of people who will patronize you. And before you know it, you have made good money as a student daily that sorts out your needs. Okay, so the great thing about doing AI pictures for students is that you don't need any special gadget. All you need is your phone and a good internet source, and then you are good to go. All right, so you can do it in the course of after a lecture. You can just sit fiddle with your phone, and before you know it, you are done. Okay, from you give it out and you get your cool money. All right, my superstars. So number two business you can do is by selling underwears. Okay, so most students they keep buying and buying, and one of the challenges most students have is time to go out and look for things they need. So by selling underwears, okay, like pants, like lingeries, you will get to have people that will come and patronize you and then buy from you. Number three is by selling party clothes. Students love to party. They love going out to clubs, going out for birthday parties and all that. And like I said, one constraint they have is time. So the moment they know that you're selling party clothes and very beautiful ones, they will patronize you, my superstars. They'll go ahead, buy these party clothes from you, and then you make money. You can go to any local market and source for beautiful party wears at affordable rates, and then come and sell and then make your money. All right, so the next on the list is by selling thrift clothes. As a student way back, I survived on wearing thrift. Yes, I lost my dad in the university, so all I could afford was thrift clothes. It was my saving grace. So lots of students tend to patronize people who sell thrift. Why? Because it's affordable and it's easy to wear. Okay, so Selling thrift, affordable clothes for students will make them buy from you because they want to look good. So they'll keep buying and buying. Once you come back, they'll like fall in and pick whatever they need. Okay. And then when they have money, they pay you. So selling thrift clothes as a student has always been a lifesaver for a lot of people. Lots of people sell thrift clothes and then they make good money from it. All right, my superstar. So the next one and the final one on the list is by doing assignments. Yes, we always have that colleague who is so lazy to do homeworks or assignments and all that. So that's where you come in. You help them do their assignment for a fee. Okay, so you do it, take it to the cyber cafe, type it for them, have it spiral bind and then give it to them and then they pay you and then you are good. It's a win-win. You make your money while they have the assignments done. So lots of people have survived from doing assignments for people. I know people who help people write projects and all that as students and then they make good money from it. All right, my superstars. So these are great ways you can make money as a student. You don't need to buy an expensive product to sell as a student. You may not have the market or the people to buy from you. So all you need to do is go for what's needed, what is used. Look around your environment and find out what people use on a daily and then arrange yourself. In order to make money, you don't need to start up a new product. You don't need to introduce a new product, okay? Because it will take time and energy to sensitize people, and you don't have that time as a student. So you go for what people need, what's trending, and what people have need for, and from there you make money. All right, my superstar. So which of this will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.